Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Today I am sharing important points of Unit 5, Facilities for Exporters and Importers. Directorate General of Foreign Trade DGFT, it deals with export trade and import. FEMA in the year 1999, these are important points. Every person or firm of a company must have IEC code. IEC is Import Export Code and it is issued by DGFT to engage in export import trade. Export document to be submitted to AD within 21 days is important with a copy of EDF or soft form. Soft form is for software and EDF is for other things other than software. Export proceeds from ACU countries in ACU dollar account and is maintained by ADs. ACU is Asian Clearing Union. The effective date of realization of a foreign currency bill will be the value date of credit of the Nostro account. Export finance is of two types, pre-shipment finance and post-shipment credit or post-shipment export. Pre-shipment finance is a loan or PCL for purchasing raw material, etc. PCL is packing credit loan. Guidelines for exporter. Everyone must have an IEC number, that is importer exporter code number from DGFT. Second, export declaration form as per FEMA is EDF form or Softis form. EDF is other than software. Softis is for software in non-physical form. Exemption. Publicity samples gifts not more than 5 lakhs are exempted from this. Time limit for submitting export documents along with a duplicate or exchange control copy of EDF form within 21 days from the exporter and or date of certification of software form to an AD. For realization of export bill must be within 9 months from the date of export. This is important, or 15 months warehouse outside India. For extension of bill realization in ETX form. ETX form is for extension of this bill realization. Participants in international trade fair, etc., are allowed to open temporary foreign currency accounts to deposit same proceeds and must be repatriated within 1 month with a 81 bank in India. Diamond dollar account for exporters or importers dealing with rough or polished diamonds. Track record of at least 2 years, turnover greater than 3 crore can open diamond dollar account. Up to 5 DDA, that is diamond dollar account, can be maintained by for one institution. It can be 5 DDA. EEFC account, exchange earner foreign currency account. A person resident in India can open with AD band account in foreign. This account is in foreign currency. Some total of all foreign currency must be converted to rupee within last day of the next calendar month. No credit facilities available. Next is export finance. First introduced in 1967 by RBI to boost exporting. It has two types of finance: pre-shipment and post-shipment credit or post-shipment export finance (PSCF) or PCL. This PCL is working capital advance, and it is between 6 to 12 months. It has to be repaid between 6 to 12 months, both in Indian rupees and foreign currency. This export finance is given. Guidelines by RBI, DGFT, ECGC for this. PCL should not exceed 180 days and can extend to 360 days. Rate of interest is based on MCLR. And post sanction, no PCL on the same order is given. Period of finance, usance period plus 25-day NTP, normal transit period, other 25 days of NTP. Banks can decide when to crystallize bills. Now, gold card status to creditworthy exporters. This is given to only creditworthy exporters. EDPMS is Export Date Processing and Monitoring System. It's introduced in 1 March 2014. RBI launched for monetary exporters, factoring and forfeiting. Factoring is a factor is a financial institution. Client is exporter or seller. Factor purchases clients book debts with or without recourse. 75 to 80 percentage of invoice value is given and no need of LC for factoring. Next is forfeiting, financing export receivables on discount without recourse. This is without recourse and factoring is without recourse. Partners in forfeiting are exporter or importer, financial bank of exporter or importer involved. Forfeiting done against bill of exchange or promissory note. And this is known as availing of bill of exchange. 100% finance of invoice is given, and this is without recourse and fixed rate financing is given. Exchange and trade control guidelines, foreign exchange policy by DGFT. Uh, First one is IEC by DGFT, uh, importer license by DGFT, payment for imports. Fourth one is time limit, that is 6 months up to 5 years credit, advance remittance US dollar 2 lakhs. For no guarantee for 2 lakh to 50 lakhs and greater than 50 lakhs prior approval of RBI is required for advance remittance. Next, fifth one is exchange control copy. Sixth one is remittance made direct to overseas supplier or his bank only. Seventh one is physical export to India. India should be made in 6 months. That is 3 years for capital goods, and the others for in 6 months. Physical export must be made in 6 months. Evidence of imports. One is bill of entry or customer assessment certificate under IDPMS system. IDPMS is import data processing and monitoring system, and it came into existence from October 2016. Import IDPMS, export EDPMS. Both are assessing this processing and monitoring system and set up by RBI. Trade credit. Supplier's credit, trade directly extended by overseas supplier to the importer. Exporter shall be liable to pay his bank in case his overseas buyer does not pay on due date. Exchange control guidelines by RBI. Up to 6 months, no approval required. After 6 months, RBI approval required. No trade credit for gold. For gold, no trade credit is given. Any credit less than 3 years is called trade credit and greater than 3 years is ECB, that is external commercial borrowings. It's important. Any credit less than 3 years is called trade credit and greater than 3 years is called ECB. And PSEF, advance against export bills. NTP, national transit period. PCFC, packing credit allowed in foreign currency. EBRD, post shipment finance in foreign currency. Some important points. Uh, Foreign draft purchased by buyer is to be cancelled now. Then TT buying rate is applicable. Surplus balance of payment makes domestic currency stronger. SS Taraport Committee capital account convertibility. In direct rate quoting situations, maximum of buy low, sell high applies. Foreign maximum of buy low, sell high applies. Foreign currency purchase transaction TT buying rate applies. Usance export document TT buying rate applies. Inflow foreign exchange and outflow rupee purchase rupee is a purchase transaction. And Basel 2, bank should provide for operational risk in addition to credit and market risk. Exchange risk, uncertainty in depreciating value of currency. Transaction exposure, risk involved due to change in foreign exchange rate. Translation exposure is valuation of foreign currency asset and liabilities. Forex open position is daylight limit and overnight limit, two types. Red Close LC, the beneficiary can avail pre-shipment finance up to the amount specified in the LC. Back-to-back LC, one LC opened in favor of second beneficiary with the original LC. TT selling rate, Indian rupee to foreign currency and no documentation, and bill buying rate in case of payment, documentation and import. Friends, that's all for today.